Hey guys, today on V&G we're going to talk about the nutritional supplement SAMe. Is SAMe safe? SAMe, which is short for S-adenosylmethionine, is a common dietary supplement that is used in both humans and veterinary patients. You can simply pop down to your local pharmacy and buy it over the counter. From liver diseases to joint conditions, and even a potential role in mental health disorders, SAMe has long been claimed to be beneficial in the management of these problems. But just because it is commonly used and widely available, doesn't mean that it's safe. Several recent studies in humans have demonstrated that SAMe was either ineffective for the diseases it is reportedly useful for, or its use was associated with common side effects. A recent study by Fukumoto et al. Gave a bit more insight into these potential adverse effects and helped to better define at least some of the mechanisms behind SAMe's shortcomings. This study, which utilized an in vitro or cell-based model and then mice, demonstrated that supplementation with SAMe actually disrupts the body's biological clock because it is broken down into adenine and methyl thioadenosine. Both of these products are toxic and have been associated with a variety of problems, including liver and kidney damage, and even gout. Okay, yes, this study was conducted on mice, but the researchers also tested the effects of the supplement on human cells in laboratory cultures and found the same effect. It is critical for the methylation of nucleic acids, proteins, and many other targets. Unsurprisingly, your next question is likely going to be, why is that important? Well, these methylation reactions take place in literally every cell in the body, and the body naturally produces SAMe though. The thought process behind supplementation is that it would promote these methylation reactions. Unfortunately, the study by Fukumoto et al. Failed to identify this. In fact, they demonstrated the opposite. With the accumulation of adenine and methyl thioadenosine, methylation reactions are actually inhibited. Now, this can have various consequences, including heart attacks, stroke, dementia, depression, migraines, autism, fertility problems, cancer, and even birth defects. Now, with the chronic use of SAMe supplements, there is concern that the risk for such problems is heightened because these toxic products actually accumulate, which might enhance their toxicity. So, for a drug that was often marketed as one to promote a positive mood, it may instead put a dampener on not only your mental health, but some other important life functions, like your biological clock or rhythm. What's currently not clear though is what dose is safe, if there is such a dose, and therefore potentially useful. And when does this spill over into a range of possible toxicity? There are a few studies in dogs that have looked at the potential use of SAMe supplementation with various disease conditions. Like in humans, SAMe has been proposed as a potential beneficial supplement for the management of various liver diseases, including specific toxicities, then also osteoarthritis, and even cognitive dysfunction. In a 2008 study, SAMe was found to be both safe and effective in improving signs of age-related mental decline in dogs. Another study showed the potential benefit of SAMe use in dogs with osteoarthritis. That being said, in general, there are limited studies that have looked at the use and safety of SAMe in dogs. While dosages have been recommended and often employed by some, it is important to inform pet parents that the evidence for its efficacy is actually quite lacking. And with studies such as the one conducted by Fukumoto et al., perhaps the widespread or common recommendation to use SAMe in dogs with, for instance, liver disease should be put on hold until we have further research either supporting or contradicting its use. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Thanks so much.